In every time, in this world, there are unpleasant situations. Every time, every day and night, there are some provocation, some unpleasant situation. So what to do? There are two options. Either give a positive response to the negative situations, or give negative response to the negative situation. So there is hadith that la takunu immatan. La takunu immatan means don't respond negatively even in negative situations. Always respond positively. This is mentioned in the hadith in these words. La takunu immatan. So this is the Islamic culture or spiritual culture or divine culture. Divine culture is based on positivity.